Heat and humidity back again this afternoon. We're keeping an eye on radar as well, not finding any thunderstorms here at this hour. That is expected to change here later on in the day. Now, they're not going to be the sort of organized storms that we watch march across the area. These are going to be some random storms that fire up in the heat and the humidity. Just a very unstable air mass here in southeastern New England today, one that makes us prone to a more unsettled weather pattern. In fact, the sultry air continuing is leading the headlines. Unsettled pattern. You're going to see that reflected in the 7-day future. We've got showers and thunderstorms in the forecast almost each day. An air quality alert again for this afternoon. Unhealthy ozone levels, which means most of those RIPTA buses are free. It goes till 11 o'clock tonight, all of Rhode Island, and towards the coastline of Bristol and Plymouth counties out to the Cape and the islands. So take it easy outside today. Live city cam over Providence. Hazy sun. It's 88 degrees. Feels like 91. West-southwest winds at 12 miles an hour. The humidity is just a touch lower than it was yesterday at this time. Boy, wouldn't this be a nice place to be? Newport Harbor busy with sailboats. This noontime, we've got temperatures in Newport that are at 83. It's 77 in Ninigret, 82 in Westerly, upper 80s now in Coventry. Taunton coming in at 89, even New Bedford 88 degrees right now. So hot and humid across the area, but the beach is still going to be your place to go for a little relief. We're going to point out just this random thunderstorm that's developing over northern New Jersey. Shows you just how these are sort of firing up in this air mass. Now there's more over New York and north central Pennsylvania, and we're going to be tracking all of this. Our futurecast shows that most of the activity here doesn't happen until the evening hours. So this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still quiet across Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts, and then towards the evening commute we'll be seeing some showers and storms at least developing to our west, and then bringing those in this evening, and they'll likely be weakening as they push into our area. However, there could be some locally strong storms, maybe even an isolated severe storm, one that contains not only the heavy downpours but some stronger winds as well as hail and dangerous lightning. This afternoon, about 92 for the high. Again, that isolated thunderstorm threat. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, down to 69 tonight. Patchy fog possible. Upper 80s tomorrow, so maybe a couple of degrees cooler, more of a sun and cloud mixture. And still that chance for a thunderstorm in the afternoon. 82 this afternoon at the beaches. Water temperature in the lower 60s. Good visibility on the bay. Next tide is that low tide coming up at about 3:30 this afternoon. 7-day futurecast. 89 again, upper 80s tomorrow. 84 on Thursday. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms later in the week, and in fact for the weekend we're talking about unsettled weather, often on showers and storms, not washouts, but we'll have to watch for some strong and severe storms. And because the air is going to stay very humid, we are looking at the potential for some downpours in any storms that develop over the next few days. So something we'll have to be watching for as we get into more of these scattered